Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up recurring tasks so you can automate repetitive work and stay on top of your regular to-dos. First, let's create a new task by heading to your project menu and selecting the Add Task button. Once you've added your task, you'll want to open up the Task Details pane, where we can configure the recurrence settings. Here in the Details panel, click on the Due Date field, and you'll see a calendar appear with some additional options. At the bottom of that calendar, you'll notice a Set to Repeat option. Go ahead and click that to access the recurring task settings. This is where you can customize how often the task should repeat, whether that's daily, weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule that works for you. You'll have 5 different repeat pattern options to choose from, giving you plenty of flexibility to match your workflow needs. And just like that, you've successfully configured a recurring task that will automatically regenerate based on your chosen schedule. Nice work! You now know how to create recurring tasks to keep your repetitive work organized and on schedule.